Okay, so I'm taking my scrap wood that I had used for samples on my offcuts for the Western red cedar wall, and I'm going to cut them at an angle 30 degrees to be particular, and one piece is going to be at 8 inches and the next is going to be at 1 foot. So I'm just going to start by like creating the angle that I want on this flat one. I got my big old goggles, but not my safety ears, earmuffs, whatever. All right, so that's my 30 degree. And here's my 8-inch piece with a mirroring 30-degree cut. Each decal gets 2 1-foot pieces and 2 8-inch pieces to make this particular diamond decal. The 30-degree cut gives it more of an oblong shape than a standard 90-degree cut would. Oops, I left it. It'd be helpful if I open the cap. And now I'm using wood glue to glue all 4 pieces together. There we go. If I had clamps, I'd use them, but I don't. And this is art, so it's just gonna be what it's gonna be. I basically just want them stuck together enough so that when I bring my finish nailer, they'll pretty much stay in place when I tack it on to the front of the planter. And then after I let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, I'm just gonna push it a little bit so that way if any glue like fell in between these joints and is gluing it to the top of this where I don't want it, that I move it while it's still wet and not pull it apart and then break all 3 junctions apart. If that makes sense. Okay, I want my details to be in the center of each side of the planter and about 2.5 inches below the cap. After I get that marked out, I use a finish nailer to lock down one corner and then use a level and a stick to level out each outside corner, and then use the finish nailer to tack down each piece so it's nice and secure. Ta-da! There you go. We have a super simple but fun way to jazz up an existing planter bed with scrap paint and scrap wood. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you so much and happy building.